So you want to know how to remove your ugly thumbnail into something better, like this, or even this, or even this, or even this. So you want to know how? You have to stay tuned to find out how. So firstly, go on App Store and download YouTube Studio. Now open the application. Tap on Videos. Now find the video that you want to change the thumbnail. Now click on the video. Click Edit. Now click on the pencil. Choose your thumbnail. Click Select. Click Save. Now pull down to refresh the app. And finally go to YouTube. Congratulations, now your thumbnail has been changed. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Boy, did you see my new channel art, baby? You gotta like it, boy.